What's good, guys? C for the cooking husband here, aka Mr. Nyamarian. Ndibuyile ke kwakhona. I'm back again with a delicious dish. Today, I am going to show you guys how to make a delicious steak with a creamy peppercorn sauce and triple cooked potato chips. Delicious, ne? So this meal is quite easy and straightforward to make. All you have to do is just to watch the full recipe and stay tuned in. So one of my favorite, as you guys know, I'm a Nyamarian, of course. So meat has to be there, and this delicious, like creamy peppercorn sauce, which really balances the meal out. And guys, these crispy potato chips are really the one. So make sure you watch the full video, enjoy, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, comment button, share button, notification button. Basically all the buttons. Anyways, guys, umadunia bulela. Watch the full video, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy. on and go enjoy this dish with my beautiful missus. And of course, crispy chips. Crispy on the outside, as you can see, and fluffy on the inside. I'm out.